Hello everybody, this is AT from ForexPreparation.com. Today is Tuesday, the 11th of March 2008, and today I want to look at the euro-dollar currency pair. What happened during the day was I was not quite able to post a movie last night, so what happened was this divergence between the relative strength indicator and the price chart formed on the hourly chart, and this is a negative divergence, which in most cases leads to a change of the trend. Since this is this divergence held for the last 3 days, and on the hourly chart this is a bigger indication that we are going to see more declines to the downside. So now my bias turns bearish, and what I'm expecting to see is we might see a little rectangle formation forming here, probably reaching this level of 1.5355, after which or a little bit above it, after which we're going to see more declines to the downside, and there are going to be actually very large declines as far as I can see, since we have broken this trend line right here, and this trend line was a part of a channel which in which the currency was trading for the past let's say 1 month. And another thing that I spotted on the weekly time frame, and I was waiting for a confirmation from it, was that here we also see a negative divergence between the price chart and the relative strength indicator, which indicates that in the longer term we're going to see more dramatic falls. And on the weekly time frame, our next support level is this high value here of 1.4832, which are, let's say, 500 pips below where the price is where the market is trading at right now. When we go to the daily time frame, what we see here is the relative strength indicator has started curving down and is currently trading on a level of 77, which is negative signal. And when we go to the 8 hours time frame, we again see here a divergence for which I think we will need a little bit more time in order to become validated, if I can say that, and to see more declines through downside. So from the 8 hours time scale perspective, such a confirmation would come if we see a break below the level of 1.5233. But when we go to the 1 hour chart, I think that in the next several hours we're going to see some range trading here between the level of 1.5280 and the level of 1.5360, and after which, if we see a break below this level of 1.5284, then we can open a sell position with a stop loss order of 40 pips above this level, or this is going to be on the level of 1.4320, which is where the price is trading at currently. So that's pretty much what we can say about the euro dollar. And once again, I apologize for my inability to post a video last night, but this is pretty much what I expected to see when I saw the charts, and this happened, this negative divergence which formed. But we still have to be a little bit more patient and be looking for a close on the 1 hour chart below the level of 1.5282. Or if you want to take a more risky position, you should also wait for the price to go up to this level of 1.4360, and then open a sell position with a stop loss order of 40 pips above the, let's say 45 pips above where you enter the market. But again, this is going to be more speculative and more risky, and I don't advise you to do that. So the right thing in my opinion, to do is wait for a break below the level of 1.5284 and then open a sell position. Thank you very much and have a good trading day. Bye.